Oh boy, that was refreshing. Almost as refreshing as this lemonade cake. It's a fluffy and moist lemon cake that's topped with a silky, smooth, and creamy lemonade frosting. Hey guys, it's Sean with iwashyoudry.com, and today we are doing some baking, and I am so excited, so let's get going. Start by grabbing a lemon cake mix. Now if you can't find a lemon cake mix, you can also use a vanilla cake mix. Just add the water, oil, and eggs as per the instructions on the box, and this is going to be the base for our cake. One of my biggest tips for making a box cake mix is to make sure that you beat it for at least 2 minutes to make sure you whip some air into it and get it nice and fluffy. Then just go ahead and pour the cake mix into a pre-greased 9 by 13 inch cake pan and pop it in the oven to bake as per the instructions on the box. Now you're going to want to let the cake cool for just about 15 minutes so it'll still be warm, and then we're going to take a fork and poke it several times into the warm cake. Next, grab some frozen lemonade concentrate that's been thawed out and add 1 cup of this with 1 cup of powdered sugar and mix it until it's nice and combined. And then we're going to pour that over the warm cake into the holes, and it'll just absorb and soak in and give it that nice lemony flavor. Then we're going to cover the cake and refrigerate it until it's chilled for about 1 hour. Next, we're just going to add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with a half a cup of butter and use our mixer to get it nice and combined. Add in 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar as needed, as well as 3 tablespoons of lemonade concentrate again, and just a pinch of salt, which really will brighten up all the flavors. Mix this until the frosting is nice and smooth and creamy, and then we're going to spread this over our cooled cake. Make sure the cake has been cooled and chilled so it's nice and ready to take that frosting. You are going to love this cream cheese frosting on top of that tart lemon cake. It is the perfect combination for summertime, for parties and potlucks. I am so obsessed with this cake. I know you're gonna love it too. Okay guys, I am so excited to cut into this moist and delicious lemonade cake. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Since this cake does have that cream cheese frosting, you're gonna wanna store this cake covered in the refrigerator, and it can last up to 3 days. It is so perfect for all of your summer needs. Okay guys, I am so excited to taste this lemonade cake. It is the perfect treat for summertime. Let's give it a taste. You're gonna love that moist and tangy lemon cake with the creamy and smooth frosting over the top. I hope you guys enjoy this easy lemonade cake, and check out iwashyoudry.com for more delicious treats like this, and we will see you guys next time.